Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Vanguard helmet in Roblox. First, you'll want to make sure you understand the specific game or event where this item is available. Many special items are tied to limited-time events or particular game experiences. Once you know the right place, prepare your avatar for the challenges you might face. This often involves ensuring your character is ready to complete tasks or overcome obstacles within the game. To begin, confirm your Roblox account meets any eligibility criteria for the event. Some items require a certain account level or completion of previous quests. Next, launch Roblox and navigate directly to the specific game experience hosting the Vanguard Helmet event. Once inside the game, carefully look for the designated event area or quest giver. They will provide the initial instructions to start your journey toward earning the helmet. Now it's time to complete the challenge. Pay close attention to the in-game instructions as they will guide you through the necessary steps. This might involve solving puzzles, navigating difficult terrain, or even defeating certain enemies. You may also need to collect specific items or interact with various objects within the game world. Successfully completing all these tasks is crucial for earning your reward. After successfully completing all the required steps, you'll need to confirm that the event or quest is marked as finished. Often, a notification will appear, or you'll receive the item directly. Then, access your Roblox inventory or avatar customization page. Locate the Vanguard helmet among your newly acquired items. Finally, equip it to your avatar to proudly display your new gear. Congratulations on earning your helmet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.